Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying a Korean dish. We call it chewy potatoes in the shape of cute button mushrooms. Let's see how to do it. Here I've taken 2 potatoes, peel it and dice it. Add it into some water, boil it and cook the potatoes. You need to cook it around 80%. Avoid pressure cooking it as you may overcook the potatoes. Once it gets cooked, strain it and add it to a sieve. Now run these cooked potatoes through a sieve to get nice fine and smooth potato dough. Add some cornstarch into this potato. Mix it nicely. Add water little by little and make this into a smooth dough. Once the dough is formed, apply some oil on your palms and start shaping small balls. It should not have any cracks. And you can shape them into mushrooms using a bottle. Don't forget to dip the bottle in oil before you shape it, or else the dough may stick to the bottle. Once you finish with all the balls, start adding one by one into boiling water and cook it. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see all the balls starts to float on top of the water. That means it's perfectly cooked. Now take these balls out of boiling water and drop it directly into ice cold water. This process will make all the balls chewy. After a few minutes, strain it and transfer it into another bowl. Now let's make the sauce for the dish. Into a bowl add some chili powder, soy sauce, some spring onion, sugar and some salt. Now into a pan add some oil, add some crushed garlic and saute it. Once the garlic flavor is nicely infused into the oil, take it and pour it on top of the spring onion mix. Now the sauce is ready. Pour it over the potato balls and mix it. That's it. Our tasty, chewy potato snack is ready. Garnish it with some spring onion and enjoy. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.